Alright guys, I got a 240 volt domestic fridge, chiq 202 litre I bought from Harvey Norman, and a cat obviously. It cost me I think $370 on sale, and a Sony 32 inch TV, 240 volt, but I'm running that from a adapter that I bought from chiq as well. I've got 200 amp hour lithium battery and 360 watt solar on top. It's 11 PM in Melbourne, so it's been a pretty sunny day today. That's what we're sitting on at the moment. I'll open the fridge up and freezer, and I'll turn the TV on. Hey Pustin. The fridge is pretty constant, 3.5 to 3.8 degrees. I don't keep a thermometer in the freezer, but it's a freezer, so it's freezing. I had a small three-way fridge in here when I bought the van. It's a 2006 Majestic Night. Original fridge come to about here. I just changed it up. Got this big guy in there. That's a TV. Yeah, that's the adapter I'm using. Alright, the remote's over here. Alright, so we've got a light on, TV on, fridge is open, cat's running amok. I'll even put the outside light on too. Oh, the freezer just shut. So people have heard that in the background go, "Oh, I heard the freezer shut, mate, you're lying." I opened it. The TV's on. I'm not going to put nothing on. And that's what I'm drawing now. I'll give it a minute with everything open. And my cat running amok. I'll let you look at my cat while we're waiting for time. And we'll still look at the fridge, make sure I'm not lying. You know what, I'll put a fan on. Let's put 2 fans on. Oh fuck, it's noisy. It's not $150 Sirocco. Put it back on low so you can hear me. I'll put the other fan on too. Oh, it's gonna shut the door. It's still open. We'll let the freezer shut. Would have cooled down by now. So light on, TV on. Fans on. Let's get another light on. Alright, oh no. You're drawing 100 watts, mate. Are you worried? Come on guys. Why are you spending so much on fridges, TVs, battery systems? It's all good to say, yeah, I've got this, I've got that, but this is what works. Thanks guys, good luck.